Alrighty, folks, over the Irvine Park Railroad. The oldest and the most scenic railroad here in Irvine Regional Park. And the only one. For your safety, guys, to remain seated at all times. Keep those hands, arms, feet, legs, small children to the coach areas at all points in the ride. All aboard. Make your way through beautiful and scenic Irvine Regional Park today. Be sure to keep your eyes out for some of the wildlife calls our park home. These are the peacocks, those are the boys with their bright blue neck feathers and green tail feathers. The hens, the females with a greenish colored neck, gray brown body. Along our lakes there was some ducks and geese out there. Not a whole lot thanks to the cold weather, but some of the wood ducks do have ducklings now. Might get lucky to see some of them. Now all of the roots are going to wash the trees as well for acorn woodpeckers. Those guys got black bodies, white blobs on the wings, and bright red heads. The acorn woodpecker is the official bird of Orange County, and is commonly seen here in the foothills of the Saddleback Mountains. Irvine Regional Park got its start way back in 1897 with the gift of Munificent. James Irvine II gave the County of Orange their choice 168 acres to establish the first official Orange County Park. Through restorations, our park has now grown to 492 acres and currently makes up the cornerstone of the Orange County Regional Park System. Now the stone monument on our right here marks one of the original entrances to the park and the original property line. In the very beginning, this park was known simply as Orange County Park, but in the 1920s, the county board changed the name to show appreciation for the Irvine family's donations. Out to the left, across the upper lake, is the oldest building in our park. That's the boathouse. The boathouse was built in 1914 by Provost Parkgoers and is now home to Wheel Fun Rentals in Irvine Park. Featuring these cool paddle bikes there, surreys, double surreys, bicycles, chopper deposits, and more. Wheel Fun Rentals opens daily here at the park at 10 a.m. Rent some fun today. Enter left the curve here and across the lake, we've got some big red trees. These trees are Australian eucalyptus. They're brought here back in the early days of the park, and thanks to their soft bark, they've proven popular with woodpeckers. Coming up on our right-hand side here in just a moment is Irvine Park's infamous patch of poison oak. Now the park rangers do a job to keep poison oak out of the picnic areas. We left this patch right over here for your small children to play in. Yeah, I'm just kidding, guys. If you touch poison oak, chances are you're going to end up with an itchy for the last 2 of the list of you. Remember, guys, leaves of 3, leave them be. Now, some people in my life have told me I belong in a zoo. And folks, my wife is probably right. I've had to choose a zoo. I had to choose the Orange County Zoo. Located at the head of the train across the field here, our zoo is home to over 100 animals from all over the Southwest United States. Coyotes, bobcats, mountain lions, ewoks, baby Yodas, Chewbacca, and bald eagles, in fact. Today only, though, for some of those guys. Today is Star Wars Day at the zoo. They're open today from 10 a.m. till 4:30. And admission is only $2, folks, for reading older. Gosling's back over here on the shoreline. Now the three buildings on our left over here were all built in 1929. That big octagonal building, that's our nature center. Open most days here in the park. Nature center is free to visit. Full exhibits with Irvine Park's history. And most importantly, open today. Also a statue over here of James Irvine II as he appeared in the early 1900s. In the beginning, this park was part of the Irvine Ranch and served as the Irvine family's private hunting ground. At its peak, the Irvine Ranch contained over 110,000 acres. Now, it contains over 110,000 condos. Progress. In a right of the curve, the bird bath, built 1919, still functioning today. And just behind it, you guys can all get a good look at a large knotty tree. Not to worry though, it's not a bad tree. It's just got some big old knots. That tree's a prime example of California coastal live oak. That's one of the older trees here in our park. It is said to be somewhere around 300 years old, which I've been informed makes this tree about as old as my jokes. Now, on a more serious note, folks, this building on our left here with its elegant Spanish Mission tiles, brown park rustic siding, this building has absolutely no historical significance whatsoever. That's just a bathroom. But you'll note it's up here kind of hidden. It's probably clean. For now.
That's true.
And keep your eyes out for peafowl, folks. Peafowls is a clutching name for the peacocks, pea hens, and pea chicks. And all together, the park is said to have about 100 of them somewhere. Now they're free to roam the park as they please, feasting on worms, seeds, picking scraps, small children, and baby snakes. On the far side of the lake, we have a Civil War era cannon in front of a Spanish-American War monument. Now that cannon was cast in 1853 by Ames Foundry in Massachusetts. It was brought all the way to California to help guard Los Angeles Harbor during the Civil War. After a brief time in front of the Orange County Courthouse in Santa Ana, the cannon was brought here in 1926 on our lake. And folks, I have been told there have been no signs of pirates on our lakes ever since. Anyway, might not be any pirates out there, folks, but there are ducks and geese today. Not a whole lot thanks to our cold weather here this last month. But typically the most common ducks here, and in pretty much all of North America for that matter, are the wood ducks and the mallard ducks. Typical of most ducks, the males would be the brightly colored ones. In this case, a male mallard, for example, with a green head, lighter silvery body, while the females are more brown and tan in color, so they can hide and avoid predators. That's right, folks. Here comes the ducks, peafowl. The males are the pretty ones, so we can attract the predators. And in just a moment, the engineer's going to blow the whistle, which means we're going to cross the street and enter the world-famous Irvine Park Railroad Tunnel. As the clearance of the tunnel is tight, sure keep those hands, arms, feet, legs, small children, and everything of value to you inside the coach area at all times. Alright guys, here comes that tunnel. Sure keep hands out, keep legs, small children inside the coach area at all times. And keep an eye on the right side of the tunnel for into the Irvine Park goal line. Irvine Park Railroad, but you want to be able to remain seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop. Once we stop, look to the right-hand side, to the right-hand side of the coach only. Make sure to watch your step, watch your head, and if you don't, please watch your language. Well, you get folks that's right today. If you don't have a great rest of your day here at Irvine Regional Park.
Alright, everybody, welcome back. Look at that boy. Stop. You guys are set to go. Watch head set this way.
Are you done, Mommy?
I'm done. I'm going to get down like you and Daddy.
That's the train.